Hi everyone, Heather from Idaho Scrapbook Show, here to show you another card kit that I got, that I subscribed to. This one is Stampin' Up's version. It's called Paper Pumpkin, and you can subscribe to get it monthly. The good thing is you can sign up for just 1 month to see if you like it, but you can also sign up for 3, 6, or 12 months at a time. And get them in the mail. I like getting things in the mail, so this is fun. So I'm going to show you what's inside of these. So every month you'll get a kit. Usually it's a card kit, but you might get something more crafty. It just depends on what they put out, but most of the time it's a card kit, which I like. Each kit comes with some simple examples that you can do. You can also go online and find more examples. There's Facebook groups, there's Pinterest groups that devote themselves to these paper pumpkins, so there's tons of ideas every month, which makes it nice. But this is just kind of here's what you can do with this, just basic. It also gives you real detailed instructions on how to put them together, so that's nice. So you get that. You always get a stamp pad or 2 with each kit, depending on what it is. So that's kind of nice because they use specific colors, and if you don't have that color, you get it with the kit. You always get a stamp set to go with it, so that's kind of nice. You'll get a stamp set. Usually you get something like these little pop-ups to help. You'll have to use your own adhesive, but you sometimes get these. And then each kit will have all the embellishments you need to make the cards. So in this case you have these cutouts. They're already pre-cut. All you gotta do is pop them out and put them on your card. Kind of fun. So you get all of these. The good thing I like about these kits is you get everything is pre-cut and pre-scored. So here's your card bases. They're cut just perfect, and then they're scored down the middle, so you just fold them in half. These attach to the cards, so you have these. They're already pre-cut, pre-scored. And then these are more. These are actually stickers. Then you also get the envelopes to go with the cards, and oh, look at this month. Oh my goodness! So you get. Sometimes they're just white, but other times they match. They're coordinated with the cards, so that's really fun. So there's your kit from Stampin' Up. If you need more information and want to learn more, you can go to their website at stampinup.com and sign up for that, and you can get a different. And every month it's different, so you get something different every month. So stay tuned. We'll have more for you, and thanks for watching.